I don't know if there's such thing as a perfect recipe, but if there is, this is it. First, I'm gonna start with this black truffle porcini pasta sauce. I'm gonna follow up with some heavy cream, get that thing mixed in there for the acid. I'm gonna drop this fried chicken here, just a general rub. Then I'm dropping in my butter, the little bit of Romano cheese and Swiss cheese. Get that thing toasted and drop that fried chicken over with the porcini sauce over on top. Then I followed up with some arugula with the Caesar salad mix over the top of it. And my best customer is here to try it. Shh, listen. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Get comments. Let me know what you think about this recipe. On days when I really don't want to cook, these sandwiches are always a go-to, and it only takes a few ingredients, so listen up. First, I'm going to slice up my bacon, then I'm going to slice up this tomato, get this thing seasoned with some Famous Dave's. I followed up with some rosemary and Pinot Grigio. Then I ended up slicing up this chicken, got this bacon crisp, sliced open my King's Hawaiian roll, a little bit of ranch, a little bit of chicken, bacon, tomato, and cheese. And then I ended up just putting them in the oven until they melted, dropped the butter over the top, and boom, everybody is fed. Like I said, kids love this one. Get in the comments, y'all. Let me know which one to do next. What y'all know about these fried chicken teriyaki tenders? This right here, man, my brother gave me this recipe years and years and years ago. But check it out, man. It's blessed me and it's blessed my family. And yeah, man, we gonna get into it. But anyway, man, we gonna use this Louisiana fish fry. Yes, I use fish fry. I'm gonna mix my all-purpose. And right now, we're just making our breading, you know. Do that a little different. I'm gonna use my seasonings. Of course, McCormick, the Yellowstone was involved. And then now we're going to work on our actual dredge. So now I'm going to drop an egg in here, follow up with the buttermilk. And then we're going to run a little bit of sour pickle juice. And we're going to use the same seasonings right here one more time, man, just to get that dredge right. And I let that thing set for about an hour. Moved it into that breading. And we dropped that joint right here until it temps out about 165. And boom, look at that. Fried chicken teriyaki tenderloins. These things right here are really it for real. Check it. If you like this type of content, like, comment, and subscribe. You could tell my face is worth it. Anyway, now tell me.